Hello there, welcome to our channel once again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Netspend account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Netspend account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in netspend.com and hit enter. Or you can just simply search for Netspend login and hit enter, and you can see the login of Netspend prepaid account available over here on the first result of Google. Click over there and let's let the page load first. As you can see, the login page of Netspend from Google has already loaded, while the original home page of Netspend is taking time to load. And if you're having the same problem like this, if your Netspend's homepage is taking time to load, you can just simply search it on Google and enter your username, your password over here, and click on login to sign into your Netspend account. Or if you have forgotten your username and password, you can see the forgot your username or password option available over here. Click on those to retrieve your username or your password depending upon which one you lost. Or if you have not yet created an Netspend card, you can see order a new card over here. Click on there and you will be taken to the sign up process of Netspend, where you can choose your card type and create an account and not on Netspend. And there guys, this is how you log into your Netspend account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.